So we are from Eftech group of company. So we are into upstream and downstream business, whereby we have an upstream business is more on the drilling services and technologies, as well on the digital part of it, as well for the downstream on the pipeline services as well, and midstream as well for the upstream as well for the downstream as well. So we are more into very technology-driven company, whereby now we are more into digitalization, as well with data management. But our digital is more, our domain is more on wells, more on the drilling technology. So as what we are doing right now, example, we have our own invention on the software application on AI, stuck pipe preventive. So we have our own technology, we have our own people, as well our own data scientists, as well our own technical domain that invented on that software application for the use of the drilling operation in Malaysia. When you're talking about the new AI in terms of stuck pipe preventive, the first thing in drilling, we are exposed into a very challenges environment, whereby in terms of cost, in terms of downtime, in terms of non-productive time as well. So that is all cost. If you're talking in Malaysia at the moment, you're talking per day rate, spread cost is about 500,000 USD a day. So by having a new technology that can enhance, that can optimize, to give a good support decision for the project team to make a right decision in order not to have any failures or any challenges that upfront in terms of the operation. So this is all is a surplus to help in terms of our project team. As you see from nowadays, yeah, since we have a COVID for the last 2 years, so you see that there's not much physical interaction. You don't see any in terms of marketing, in terms of technical sales, that really you can straight away talk to our clients, to the operators, to the service providers. So by having this type of, especially I should thank a lot to the organizer which is Informa. I think this, to me, this is a jump start whereby, and it's a good start because you have a combination between MOGSEC and OGA combining. And this is a platform for the local market and local industrial to show our showcase. And this is what is happening right now. And I really thank to the organizer. In my personal view, it's so good. It's so good because you can see, even though now it's about 4 o'clock, you can see the crowds. Yeah, you can see the crowds, and meant to be because just after the post-pandemic, and I think everybody right now is aware, and everybody are looking forward. Basically, for the last 2 weeks, all of our operators, our service providers, and all our visitors, they are waiting for this particular event. And you can see even today. And we've been lined up with all those, what we call that, for the technical forum and conference that we have. And not only from me, this is also from the high level, even though from the president of MOGSEC as well. So they can see the values that we have for this particular event. In terms of, if you're talking about oil and gas, yeah, in terms of oil and gas, I would see, you can see the trend right now. The activity is ramping up. Yeah, so that is a positive, sign for us, especially from the service provider standpoint. And in operation like us, drilling, we are the frontliner. So even though from now, we can see the project that for the 2023 is really lined up for the pre-planning. So you see that basically, even though in terms of tender, in terms of contract. So this is a good positive signs that we have. It's so good, yeah. It's so good because why? I can see even the commitment from the high level, even though from the president, even though from the chairman, as well from the ministry as well, and not only that, even I can see from all of the company, the service company, all the board members is here. So they are, all of us, including ourselves, yeah, myself, even from Datuk Mahathir itself. So all of us are here looking forward to meet each other.